May peace be upon you. Hello everyone. This is Rezwan. I am welcoming you to my first episode of Upwork Job Solves. I will be solving 10 Upwork jobs in 10 days. So this is the first day. Let's see what job we have on Upwork for us. This is the job. The title of the job is simple: Connect Aweber with Copecart via Make, formerly Integromat. So what's Aweber, what's Copecart, and what's Make? Aweber is a email marketing platform similar to MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit. Copecart is a platform similar to Shopify, used for selling both physical and digital products. Make is an automation platform similar to Zapier. It helps developers or non-coders or anyone to create integrations and automations between different platforms. So let's understand the description of the job first. The description of the job says that the client has some products on Copecart and he wants the buyers to automatically get enlisted in a specified email list on Aweber. So this automation of enlisting the buyer to the email list on Aweber has to be done through Make. So let's get started. First of all, you would need a Make account. This would be obviously most probably provided by the client. So the modules that we would need to use on Make, these are webhook and Aweber. Why do you need the webhooks? Because unfortunately Copecart isn't natively available on make.com. So we have to use webhooks and integrate it with Copecart so that we can receive the data of purchases and anything else from Copecart. So how should we do this integration? At first we have to, this is the webhook module. So when you at first create this module, you will get this email. Sorry, this is the URL. So we have to create an integration first. So go to this URL. This URL will obviously be provided in the video description, and create. I already have a integration, so if you want to check how this integration looks, so this is the name, this is the URL that I had copied, and this is a random secret key. I mean it's not compulsory with Integromat, but you would need it with Copecart. So then click on save and activate it. So this should be activated for the products. So this is my product. This is a PDF. This is a sample product that I had created already, and this is my Aweber account, and I have only one list here. So now let's get started with the configuration on Make. We do not have to do anything on the webhook side. Just on the Aweber side, we have to add a module. The module name would be add a subscriber. Let me start from scratch. So this is the module, and this is the specific module, add a subscriber. I already have connected, so if you don't have connected, just click on add and just follow the processes. It's pretty self-explanatory. And this is the account, this is the list. If you have multiple lists, you will get the multiple, you have to choose from the multiple list. And this is the email, so this is the buyer email, and this is the name. So we have first name and last name, so we can just leave a space between them and add this, and this is it. So if you want to tag them, there is an option for tagging, but we currently do not have any tags in our Aweber account. So this is a pretty simple, I mean integration that we'll do. Okay, click on OK, click on save, and let's turn it on. So how will it work? So whenever anyone purchases anything, that data will automatically be pushed to this webhooks. So after the webhook receives the data, it will pass the data to Aweber for creation of the subscriber for that specific list. So let's say this is the checkout form, and let me fill up some information here. Rezwan, Rifat, Farid 20208 gmail.com. Okay, so this is a test purchase. Let me order it right now. Yeah, my order is successful, and let's check on Aweber if it's there or not. Yeah, as you can see, this is the name that I have provided, this is the email, and it's present in the subscriber list. So this can be customized or sorted out in a different way. Let's say we want to create a filter. The filter is about let's say the country code. For example, if this country code equals to US, then only this scenario will run. If we want to check it, yeah, let's select Australia. Let's select yeah, so let's do the payment. Yeah, now you can see that the subscriber was filtered out because we had provided a filter saying that the subscriber would only get enlisted, sorry, the buyer would only get enlisted yeah. So we had applied a filter, but we can see that it had already gone through. What was the reason? Because we had only used equal to. So if you use equal to, the code will, it will not go, it will not be case sensitive. But if you use equal to, okay, so I think unfortunately we had some problem with the filter, so that's why the first one got through. I think I hadn't saved it properly. So let's try now. We have the similar configuration equal to US, so it should only run if the buyer is from US, right? So let's see. So let's select Albania and Farad Esther 2020 at, Sorry for the delay. Yeah, Esther Ferdinand Esther 2020 at gmail.com. It's a test. Order now. Okay, the order had gone through. Let's check it. It's already filtered. So yeah, you can see that we do not have the buyer's information here because he was not from US. Let's say we are from US. So United States, this is United States, this is Ford Houston 2020 at gmail.com. Yeah, the order went through. Now let's check on the subscriber side. Yeah, so unfortunately the queue was turned off, so let's turn it on and see how it works. Yeah, so as you can see, the last one went through because it was from USA. And let's check the previous one. So you can check the previous executions from this tab. So this went through, so as you can see it got filtered, so the operation was 1, and when it went through the operation was 2. You can also know some detail. Let's say yeah, so as you can see it got filtered, the buyer country code doesn't equal to US, so it didn't went through. So this is it. As you can understand, it can be filtered, it can be customized with in multiple almost unlimited ways. So it will eventually depend on the client what kind of filter or what kind of restrictions he wants to place on the creation and the creation of the subscriber, what information he wants, etc. So that's it from my side. uh, I hope you liked the video. This is the first episode of my 10-day series. I hope you would let me know if there is any problem with my speaking or my presentation. It would be really helpful for me, and I would really try to improve it from the next episodes, hopefully. So thanks for your time, everyone. Let's get back tomorrow. Take care and goodbye.